I get up this morning to check on my birds because I always like to look out the window and see them feed early in the morning. And I saw something very interesting. The birds was feeding, and guess what jumped into their food? A squirrel. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, they're running now because they see me. Because they wrong. They was sitting there. You see how he's moving? He done jumped because he saw me. Look, there he is right there. That's a baby squirrel. I guess he's feeding his squirrels, huh? Oh my goodness. How are you just gonna take somebody else's food? How are you just gonna take someone else's possession like that? So, I don't know. Just interesting. Got to go out here and make sure that they haven't eaten up all the bird food. That's why the food is like disappearing recently. Got to go out here. They're running now. I gotta go out here and check on my boo-boos. Okay, the birds still got food. You know, look at the squirrels. They're running away from my house. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're running. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I guess I don't mind them eating, but don't want them to eat up all the food because it's not for them, but they can share, you know. Little scroungers.